We're here at NAB 2018. With me is Michael Jordi from
Thank you for having me.
Jordi AG. Thank you for being here. Michael, what is the system that you have?
We developed a system called Adam. This system is digitizing tapes in massive numbers for broadcasters. They have a large tape archive. And we sold the systems all over Europe, mainly in Germany, to main broadcasters, the RD.
And how does the system work?
The system is basically on the front, you see a robotic which takes the tapes out of a carousel which you can fill up and put it into a shelf. From the shelf it goes to a tape cleaner and into a VTR. From the VTR we digitize the signal with a Venice video server and put it onto a Spicer box as a storage. From there on we make some file QC, some low-res video, added some metadata and put it together with metadata from the broadcaster's database and send it all together back to the archive, digital file archive from the broadcasters. We do that in massive size, so each Adam system can digitize 40,000 hours per year, and we do that over 10 years now, so we have over 800,000 hours of migrated content.
And what are you doing here at NAB?
We are introducing the system to the US market here. I'm here to talk with several people, several broadcasters, to show what our system can do after we had success in Switzerland and Europe.
So you have a very large system and you have a sort of smaller Adam box, is that right?
That's correct. Yes, we have the large system is about 30 square meters of size. We have a smaller system which is on wheels. It's the size of 2 pallets, so you can move it. It's closed in a box, which means it's safe to use it on any environment.
So it's good for small, medium-sized broadcasters?
It's good for any size. You can use it for smaller, for bigger ones, and it's just plug and play. Power in, network in, and you're free to go.
Fantastic. Michael, thank you very much.
Thank you.